Hi everyone. I wanted to post a quick devlog of this sci-fi survival horror game that I'm working on. It's called Haunted Station, and it's currently part of the Steam Scream Fest, so you can check out the demo if you like, and let me know if you have any feedback. The game was inspired by a lot of the sci-fi classics like Alien, The Thing, Dark Star, and that last one has a pretty good example of what to do on a low budget. You can create one of your antagonists with a beach ball and some paint, and, it works okay. So the idea behind this game is it's both a multiplayer and single-player experience where you traverse a procedurally generated space station. You're looking for clues about what went wrong here, some event happened, and there are some creatures that you have to avoid or engage, and eventually find your way out of the station. Now, what you can see on screen here is there's sort of this ethereal being following you. That was inspired by this movie called It Follows, where there's an enemy that is constantly following you wherever you're at in the world. It's going at a slow rate of speed, but it's persistent. It's determined to find you. So that's kind of what this enemy is, and it can go through walls and doors and things like that. So you'll notice there are a number of doors around the station, and you need to find keys to open them up. And there's some other pickups that you can get, weapons and items. Here's another enemy, just a little sort of slime. Every game has to have a slime in it, I think. So you can use your gun on those corporeal enemies, but that sort of spectral one, you can't use that gun on that. There's a limited amount of ammo, so there's some scarcity to the game, and I'm trying to create situations where you need to flee rather than fight. So here I'm grabbing a key. Now those spacesuits on the back wall there, I had intended to work on a feature where you could leave the station, at least temporarily. You'd need sort of an oxygen supply to do so, and you could explore the surface of this planet a little bit. There are some windows here that you can see out of and see other sections of the station or other stuff outside. What flashed there was the inventory screen. So there's an inventory screen, and then at the bottom here there's like a quick bar. Right now I just have a weapon, but some of the other items I had planned are like cloaking devices where you can temporarily hide yourself from an enemy's line of sight. There's a medical kit that is implemented in the game now, and things like that. Now this enemy, yeah, it's like an eyeball with some tentacles, and it's wandering around the station, and it's pretty fast, as you can see. A hit from that weapon will slow it down, but it does have a lot of HP configured right now, so it's not easy to kill. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck back here and use one of those medical kits, and that'll heal a little bit of HP. Yeah, this looks like the last key. Let's see if I can get out of here. And you'll see in the upper right there's a mini-map. I think I bring up the full map later in this playthrough. But that is showing all of the different sections of the station. They're represented as these tiles or rooms that have exits on all four sides, or 1 to 4 sides will have exits to them. And the algorithm that creates the station is akin to the wave function collapse algorithm, where adjacency of tiles sort of dictates what can be placed and what can't be placed. And then there are sort of dependencies between the regions of the map. So in order to get from the blue region to the red region, you're going to need a certain item, etc. Looks like I'll heal up a little bit here. Yeah, and so the full idea here is that this can be played as a single player campaign or with friends. And I'm about to jump in this portal, and that was the end of the demo. So pretty quick demo, but wanted to just get something out there to give a feel for the game and see what people think. So I'll put the Steam link in the description of this video. Check it out and leave a comment if you have any feedback. All right, thanks for watching and have a great day.